We'll guide you through how to fix a keyboard, auto-typing or pressing on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got some different methods you can try, so let's get started. First of all, come down to the bottom of your computer and right-click on the Windows Start button, and you want to go and click on Device Manager. In here, you need to go and locate keyboards. So you want to come down and here it is, click the arrow to the left. Now I've got two options here, that's fine, we'll just repeat it. So right click on each one and first of all click on Update Driver and you can do an automatic search as an old driver can cause this problem. If you've got multiple, you can go and repeat that. Go and see if that solves a problem if there was an update available. If it didn't, then you want to go and right click on it, click on Uninstall Device like so, confirm your decision there, and you can then go and repeat that again. You'll now find your keyboard doesn't work at all, and what you can do is go and click the Windows button at the bottom and click the power button and restart it. When your computer starts again, go and see if the problem is solved. If it still isn't, you want to come onto your keyboard physically. If it's happening with one specific key, make sure that key isn't somehow damaged or getting jammed. So make sure you clean it out in case there's some type of debris which is keeping it trapped down and causing it to go and press multiple times. If that still isn't working, then you should get in contact with the manufacturer. But in the meantime, you can try plugging in another keyboard and using that, or you can get the on-screen keyboard by opening up your settings, clicking accessibility on the left, scrolling down to keyboard, and you can go and switch on-screen keyboard and go and use it just in the meantime. If you found this useful, then leave a like.